Chapter 9. Distribution Channels and Logistics. Distribution Channels and Functions. The distribution channels are routes through which products and services pass from the manufacturer to the final customer. At times, these channels will incorporate intermediaries between the producers and the customers that execute portion tasks required to move goods. These will include wholesalers, retailers, or agents. Functions of distribution channels. Transactional functions. This includes purchase, sale, and the undertaking of risks connected with goods. An intermediary wholesaler purchases from a manufacturer in bulk, assumes risk, and sells it to the retailers. Logistical functions. The goods are stored, sorted, and transported in the logistics function so that they arrive at the right place at the right time. A distribution center, for example, is responsible for inventory and provides additional services to facilitate orderly and timely delivery to the retail outlets. Facilitation functions. This involves providing information, promoting products, and provision of services that facilitate efficient distribution. The retailers can offer product demonstration and customer service to enhance customers' experience. Development of distribution strategies. The development of distribution strategies involves the design and implementation of methods to ensure that the target market is covered and the products or services are available. Strategies. Intensive distribution. This would mean that the product should be available through as many outlets as possible. Maximum coverage of the target market is the objective. Snack foods and soft drinks are widely distributed, reaching consumers through supermarkets, convenience stores, and even vending machines. Selective distribution. In this type of distribution, the products will be distributed through a few intermediaries. This would apply to those products that either require personalized selling or are of higher value, such as high-end electronic gadgets sold through selected retailers who have an expert opinion. Exclusive distribution. Only a single distributor or retailer has a mandate to distribute the product in a region. This strategy is applied mainly to highly luxurious products to maintain product exclusiveness, like very expensive brands of cars, which need exclusive dealers for brand image protection. Direct distribution. The manufacturer sells directly to the consumer. Intermediaries are not involved in such a case. It may be through the manufacturer's website or physical stores. Hybrid distribution. It combines the approaches of direct and indirect distribution methods to distribute products to customers, often through multiple channels. A good example could be a firm selling its products directly to the web and indirectly through third-party retailers. Logistics and supply chain management. Logistics and supply chain management has to do with the planning and coordination of the flow of goods, services, and related information from the raw material suppliers to the end customer. Key elements. Transportation management. This is the planning and optimization of the flow of products from the suppliers to the customers. Selection of the cost-effective mode of transportation by air, sea, or truck aids in finding a balance between cost and delivery time. Inventory management. Maintaining an optimum volume of stock to suffice customer demand at low holding costs. Inventory management systems monitor the stock levels and automatically reorder when the stock falls to a certain level. Warehousing. This is efficient storage of the products until they are ready for distribution. An example is a distribution center dealing with big inventories that make sure that fast processing and shipping take place. Order fulfillment. It's the process of receiving, processing, and making deliveries of orders to customers. This process involves picking, packing, and shipping orders quickly and efficiently. Supply chain coordination. Many activities of suppliers, manufacturers, distributors, and retailers must be managed and integrated to function appropriately. Coordinating the production schedules with demand forecasts is an example. E-commerce and digital distribution channels. Selling and distributing products through the internet and other means of electronic communication are e-commerce and digital channels. Some of the points to be noted are online retailing. Selling products through online portals like Amazon or Alibaba gives access to a potential global population of customers for the seller. Digital content distribution. It sells and delivers digital products, such as software, music, and ebooks, directly over the internet. Netflix and Spotify are examples of services that offer digital content to their subscribers. Mobile commerce. M-commerce, the transactions and distribution happen via mobile devices. Mobile apps empower customers to view products, make orders, and pay by using their smartphones. Omnichannel distribution, unifying online and offline channels to provide a seamless customer experience. For instance, a retailer that allows customers to buy online but pick up orders in store just makes things easier and more convenient. Measuring performance of channels. The performance of the distribution channels is measured based on the extent to which they can achieve business objectives and create value for customers. Key measurements and tools. Sales performance, the volume and revenue that every distribution channel yields. Comparing e-commerce sales with store-based sales will show which channels perform best. Customer satisfaction measures feedback on the process of distribution. Surveys indicate levels of satisfaction and experience in terms of delivery times and order accuracy. Channel costs. These are all the costs of the various distribution channels, transformation, warehousing, commissions, etc. Calculating the per unit cost of different channels helps understand where profitability lies. Channel reach and coverage. This metric considers the breadth and effectiveness of the cover for the market across each of the channels. The extent of geographical reach and market penetration that is realized from the different distribution partners should be assessed. Inventory turnover, a measure of how quickly the inventory turns within each channel. Keeping track of turnover rates will help maintain the optimal level of stock while keeping the associated holding costs down. Channel conflicts identifies and resolves the conflicts between different distribution channels for their smooth working. For example, dealing with scenarios when online and offline channels both reach the same market or discount is one such aspect. Conclusion. Effective distribution channels and logistics are indispensable in ensuring that products get to their customers efficiently. This module will equip learners with the knowledge of channel functions, distribution strategies, management of logistics and supply chains, e-commerce and digital channels, and finally the appraisal of channel performance toward the optimization of business operations.